In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Epic Games account to Xbox Cloud Gaming in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want a smoother gaming experience and want to connect your accounts properly so everything is ready for cloud play. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and sign in to your Epic Games account. You can do this by going to the Epic Games website and logging in with your usual details. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile name. From the menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your Epic Games account settings page. Now on the left-hand side of the account page, you'll see a menu with different options. Find and click on Apps and Accounts. This section is where Epic Games lets you manage connected services and linked platforms, so this is exactly where we need to be. Once you're inside Apps and Accounts, look for the Xbox option. When you find it, click Connect. A new window will pop up asking you to continue with the connection process. This is the step where Epic Games and Microsoft start linking together. In the new window, click Connect Account. After that, you'll be asked to sign in with your Microsoft or the Xbox account credentials. Enter the email and password for the Xbox account you want to connect. Then follow any on-screen prompts to complete the authorization. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you use more than one Microsoft account. After the login is approved, the connection will finish automatically. Once that's done, your Epic Games account will be linked to Xbox Cloud Gaming and you're good to go. At this point, you can close the browser window and start using the connected account setup for gaming. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully linked Epic Games to Xbox Cloud Gaming. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference when setting up your gaming accounts the right way. If this video helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.